Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on incognito mode for Google Maps. So you can use the incognito mode when you don't want your activity, like the place you search for or navigate to be saved to your Google account. So the when this incognito mode is on, the maps on the device will not save your browsing or search history in your account, or update your location history or shared location, and also it will not allow you use your activity to personalize maps. So to turn it off, just open the Google Maps app on your phone and then click on your profile picture at the top, and then you'll see the turn on incognito mode option. Just click on that, and now you'll be on the incognito mode in Google Maps. Okay, so just like that, that's it for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys on the next tutorial. Bye bye.